what he has done.
And Ismail, about talking about your relationship with money, so how has your relationship with money changed over the last few years of your career, right from the time you started and till today, which is there?
Yeah, relationship with money has been a relationship of respect, of loyalty, of huge benefits, because a lot of decisions of life. See, I think money is God for 99% of the universe, because 99.5% people on earth don't have money. We are blessed to talk about money. आधे % लोग हैं पूरे दुनिया में, 700-750 करोड़ लोगों में, जिनके पास 50 लाख से ज्यादा टोटल वेल्थ होगी. You can imagine what is the value of money. So you need to respect it, you need to value it, and that is what I have done at all points in time. And it has given me back a lot. You respect money, money will grow, and you treat it well, it will treat you better by giving you compound interest in front of it. So my relationship has been very simple: be disciplined, value it, don't do stupid things with it. It is very useful for fulfilling your own life goals, for your family's well-being, for others who you want to help at different points in time. It is empowering. So let's say many people on earth would want to help others financially, but they may not have that money. But if you have it, at least you have the choice. You may or may not do it at a different point, but you have a choice to add value to so many people, including to yourself. I have, and some of the important moments for me are like when you are in a hospital and, treatment costs are high. I have seen someone standing next to me not taking a medicine for his ailing mother, because the cost of that injection was very high, and the cost of administrating that injection was also equally high. I have seen people who don't go for any line of treatment, and they just let go, whatever critical the illness may be, because they don't have money. So money is so important. So romanticize कर सकते हैं पैसे के साथ, but होना बहुत जरूरी है. और वो होने के लिए हमें उसको कमा के उसको रिस्पेक्टफुली अपने साथ रखने की, उसके लिए जो हमारी डिसिप्लिन की जरूरत है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
ऐसा कोई क्लाइंट सक्सेस स्टोरी है आपका जो आपको पता है कि like after he or she started investing money in mutual funds or started doing SIP, they became like financially independent, or they like that was like a turning point in their journey?
So, okay, we have millions of such stories, because over the last 10-20 years, Indian markets have done well.
What's the most touching story, or what's the most like story which is close to your heart?
So I'll tell you, this is a story which is half truth, because मैं जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ उसको ये नहीं पता है. So in 2007-8, my driver said कि मुझे और increment चाहिए. See, these are people who come from very lower strata of the society, and me being from the fund industry, I knew the value of investing every month, the value of SIPs. So I said, तेरे को जितना increment चाहिए मैं उसका आधा दूंगा. I won't give you full. So he was not very happy. But the other part, which I didn't give him, I started doing an SIP for him, but in my name. That in my own portfolio, there was one folio meant for that SIP. It was some 3,000 or 4,000 rupees per month, 2,000 rupees per month. And that was a product on which there was 100-time free insurance also. Because he had also gone through an incident, health scare, where I had to suddenly admit him in the hospital. Now, 2008 was also the lowest cycle in the last 15-17 years, 2008 crisis. So the SIPs accumulated more and more units in that entire phase of 5 years, when stock markets had given zero returns, and that continued till today. And in these 16-17 years, markets have gone up, they've gone down, they've been scary. There are days you feel world will end, COVID ho gaya hai, India-Pak war hoga, nahi hoga. All of that has happened, but he doesn't know. He's oblivious, because this is separately happening. Now, in this period, he has been able to buy a small home for himself, lives in a slum, but he said that, I have 3 kids, very young. I have a daughter. Uski security or safety zaruri hai in context to where I am staying. If I have a proper house, it will help me. I need a loan. I've given him money, not as a loan, but from his own capital, which has compounded. 3 में से 2 बच्चे. The daughter is now, she became an engineer this year. She completed her engineering. So ironically today morning it said, and some money I would have given him as loan. So he said, sir अभी वो स्टेज पे आ गया हूँ कि मैं आपका पैसा वापस दे दूंगा, because मेरी बेटी कमा के मुझे दे रही है पैसा. So one full generation is out of the lowest strata of society, and 3 में से 2 बच्चे बहुत अच्छा एजुकेशन लेके उनकी लाइफ अलग हो जाएगी. And daughter wants to do a PhD or something like that. This is one story. I would say there are lakhs of such stories which are there, which many people have witnessed.
Wow, very very sweet and very touching. मैंने ऐसे भी सुना है आजकल like people also start their SIP as soon as when a child is born and then उनके
Yes.
नाम पे भी कर लेते हैं ताकि
Yes.
like education या कुछ भी हो जाए तो
Absolutely.
वो नहीं कर.
So there are two types of investors. Some who want to invest because अभी पैसा बन रहा है, and there are some who say that पैसा सेव करना जरूरी है और लंबे समय के लिए सेव करना जरूरी है और हमें आता नहीं है, तो हम एक डिसिप्लिन, हम एक प्रोसेस को अपना दोस्त बना लेंगे और वो प्रोसेस का नाम है SIP. सो मैं अपने अकाउंट से हर महीना जो भी मेरे औकात में है, मेरे बस में है, मैं उतना कर दूंगा. कुड बी 1,000 रुपीज, कुड बी 10,000 रुपीज, could be 20,000 for some people, but people have started, taking that step of discipline. So what used to be fixed deposits in my generation when I was growing up, or before that used to be insurance, now is happening with a capital market product, which is equity and which is through SIPs.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.